Welcome guys to my creative corner. This is Claudette. Today I have a fun layout to share with you. I am in a monthly craft club and we did this layout and I wanted to share this with you. So what you're going to need is the base of your card is going to be measuring 8.5 by 5.5, and then you're going to fold it in half down the middle. So or you could score it at 4.25. Then you're going to need a piece of cardstock measuring 3 3/4 by 5 inches. Then you're going to need designer series paper or your printed paper. And this is measuring 2 by 5. So we're going to go ahead and glue that down to our gray piece of cardstock. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Then this white piece of cardstock is measuring 1/2 inch by 5 inches. So what we're going to do is take this and we're going to glue it this way, diagonal. Then we're just going to cut the edges off. Then these two pieces of cardstock, this one, the black cardstock is measuring 1 3/4 of an inch by 2.5 of an inch. Then this white piece of cardstock is measuring 1.5 inch by 2 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to go ahead and glue those together. Then what we're going to do is go ahead and pop this up on dimensionals. We're going to stick this down here in our card. Then we're going to take this and add this to the base of our card. We'll just make sure we have that nice and centered. And that's our layout. So I have a sticky note with the measurements listed on there. So you just could take this, stick it within your layout, and then you go ahead and file that. I'm going to go ahead and create a card using this layout. So I have this rust color for the base of the card, and this is called Cajun Craze by Stampin' Up. So we're going to go ahead and fold that in half. Then we have this card start. This piece is in very vanilla. So I embossed this piece with Tasteful Textile embossing folder. So I'm not sure if you could see the texture on that. It's very subtle texture. So I have a piece of designer series paper, and this piece is from our Gilded Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper. So what we're going to do is go ahead and glue the designer series paper to the very vanilla cardstock that I emboss with the Tasteful Textile embossing folder. So we'll put these two pieces together. Then on this strip right here, I cut this out from our gold foil paper. So we're going to go ahead and trim the ends off. Okay, for little rectangle pieces, we're going to do something different with that. I am going to be using the rectangle postage punch. Also, I'm going to be getting the sentiment from Country Home, and I'm going to use So Grateful for Someone Like You in Our Life. And I am going to heat emboss that with gold embossing powder. So I'm going to bring in a very vanilla piece of cardstock. We're going to be using our embossing buddy. Get all the static off, and we're going to get our Versamark ink. I already have my stamp on my clear block ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and ink this up. And I'm going to start turning on my heating tool. So we're going to go ahead and stamp that down. I'm going to bring in my coffee filter and my gold heat embossing powder. And just clean out any little specks around or outside my stamped sentiment. I'll bring in our heating tool, and then that heating tool, you'll see that powder melt. Then we're going to bring in our punch and go ahead and punch that out. I always, when you're using punch, I prefer to stamp my image first and then punch it out so I could have it centered. A lot of times when I punch first and then stamp, is not quite centered. So now what we're going to do is bring in the other rectangle cardstock, and that's in the Cajun Craze, and we're going to go ahead and glue those two together. And I just trimmed the Cajun craze down just a little smaller. So I didn't want that much of a border. So we're gonna go ahead and take our dimensionals and pop this up. When you have your layout, you could customize your cards however you like. So we're going to go ahead and put that down right there. Then we're going to bring in the base of our card, which is in Cajun craze. I'm going to go ahead and glue that down to the center. Next, what I'm going to do is just bring in a little bit of rhinestones, and I'm going to use some champagne rhinestones. I'm going to get my take your pick tool. I'm going to add some bling to this. If you guys get any creative value from this video, please go ahead and hit the like button down below. All right, then we'll add a bow. We're just gonna take a glue dot and put that on. So we're just gonna get a glue dot. And pin our bow on. So I also created another one that I wanted to share with you. And this one, I stamped an image right here, and then I just stamped a little sentiment that says hello right down here. I did double diagonal pieces. I did one in cardstock and I did some in the ribbon. So that is created from our fun layout. Thank you guys for tuning into my creative corner. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.